And you got it.
I don't have any triggers.
Okay, on a resolution options.
Oh yeah.
I'll show you.
Thanks, Chris.
I mean, I'm as well. Chance roll.
That's fine.
Yeah. Anything in resolution? Eligible.
Roll is
Fusion?
I think fusion's coming, yeah.
Yeah.
But only on your turn.
Only my turn.
I'll go foolish
Okay. I'll trade with you.
Hold on.
Destroy and then I'll summon a thunder.
Yep, that's fine. Ryo. I can't bet it already.
Yeah.
Yeah.